In the last video, we saw how to set up a project using coordinate points. In this video, we shall see how to share those coordinates with multiple disciplines like architecture, structure, and MEP. Say for example, if one of our teammates, without knowing the concept of this coordinate system, started the project by linking CAD files, and halfway down the road he realized that there is a main file which contains grids, levels, and coordinates to which this model should be aligned. In this case, what he must do is link the main file inside the model and align it with the grids which he has created. Once this is done, select the Acquire Coordinate option which is available under Manage tab and click the main file which we have linked in this project. This will acquire the coordinates which is available in the main file and share it with the current file. Similarly, it's for published coordinates, where coordinates will be shared to the link model. Now, in order to check whether the process is correct, we will link all our submodels into the main file where it has to come and sit in the correct location.